Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you how you can pass data to the view. So let's create a simple view. So go to resources. Here I have a simple Laravel project. I will go to view and create a new file. Its name will be my mypage.blade.php. So here I have a simple h1 tag my page, and now I will create a route for that page. I will go to routes and web.php, and here I will create a simple route get slash, and I will use a function, anonymous function, and in that function I will return some view. So this has the name my page, so I will give the view my page. So once it will hit that address, it will give me that view. This is my page.plate. I will save and refresh that. As you can see, it is showing my page. If I will change something, my page 111, so it is showing that. So actually this route is used for displaying that page. So now I want to pass some data. To pass data, I will use an array, associative array. Let's see, I have a data and it has name and its value is Ali. So this is the data, and I will use with, and I will pass that array with the data. So data should be inside that function. Let's refresh it. So I am sending that data. Now I will receive that data. So h2, and I will show name value. So this is showing me Ali. So now I am passing that data with the array, and array has associative array. It has a name, its key is name, and value is array. So here I am getting the value by the key, and it is giving me the value. So if I will add name 2, and name 2 is Farhan, so I can show the name 2. So it is giving me the second name. So this is the simple way of putting data or passing data to the view. So let's see, I will make a controller. So let's open that PowerShell and use PHP artisan make controller, and its name will be my page controller. So a controller is created with the my page controller, and now I will give it a name. I will create a route function. Its name will be index.